let me start with my first question for all of you. So can you please tell me what is the number of parking space covered by this car, the red color car you see here? I want you to type it out in the chat box. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So let's see who answers this. Okay. I'm getting some answers, but I think I'll reveal the answer now. This was very simple, okay? This is very, very simple. It is just a number sequence. So what I've done here is I've just flipped the picture upside down. And now I can clearly see the parking spot. So you see, the answer is 87. We have 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. So the right answer is 87. And the ones who told me 89, no kids, it's not 89, it is 87. So all that I had to do was I had to just flip the image upside down. So here is a lesson, right? Each time we look at numbers, we think they are complex. They're so difficult to solve. How do I solve this? And everything just goes haywire in your head. But sometimes you just have to be more logical, more observant, and you just have to check out what is happening there. What is the logic that this particular problem is falling into? So this is something which is very, very important to understand the logic behind anything. So no problem just occurs to you just like that. There is a logical way in which you solve it. And this was the logical way here. You had to just flip the image and now you know the number sequence. Very easy. No addition, no multiplication, no other mathematical operations. So keep your eyes open, think logically, be more observant, and be happy and friendly with numbers because they're your best friends. Now I'm going to teach you one cool trick, okay? And that cool trick is to do something with your calendars. So if you all could just go out and grab a calendar that you have in your house. I'm sure all of you have put up calendars in your house. So just go grab one calendar, or you can, remove one calendar from on another tab on your phone or anything. Just get a calendar. So what we'll do here is we'll do a very interesting and nice trick. So the trick is you can solve a particular batch of numbers here just so quickly in just 3 seconds. So what I want you to do here is you pick up any one square or any one 3 into 3 square. For example, I've chosen this one, the one that you see here, the gray one. So I've chosen this one. So what I can do is anywhere on the calendar, if I choose any 3 into 3 grid, by 3 into 3 grid, I mean is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Horizontally 3, vertically 3. I want to do a 3 into 3 grid. Okay. When I do that, I can just find out what is the collective sum of this number in 3 seconds. And this math trick, if you use with anyone, they're just going to become fan of yours. So what I'll do is, now this is it. Now, if I have to tell you to solve this, it'll just take so many minutes because you will do 3 plus 4, which is 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 11, 33. So this will go on and on, but I can do it very easily. And I can check the sum of this is 99. So how do I do that? Does anybody know how can you do this? In just 2 seconds? No? Okay, let me teach you. Very simple. If anybody knows, they can raise their hand and I'm going to unmute you and you can, help me solve this problem. So Vedika says she doesn't know. Anybody else? I'm assuming this is a new magic trick and nobody knows this. Okay, cool. So I'm going to explain this to you. Okay, it's very simple. What I do is I make this 3x3 grid. Come on, grab your pen and paper, okay? I want you to make this. I want you to write this down. Otherwise, you'll never get it. So what I do is I select one 3x3 grid, like I explained to you, and I choose the number which falls in the middle. Over here, it is 11, number 11. And how many numbers are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these are 9 numbers. And my middle number is 11. So I simply go and multiply the number 11 with 9. And my answer is 99. Isn't this fun and isn't this easy? You can do it anywhere. You can do it anytime. And this is so quick and easy. So I think what we'll do is, as an exercise, I want you to select one particular grid here. Let's select this one. Okay. Yeah, wow, great. Shrirak says it's an amazing trick. Great, right? So I think let's do this. I want you all to solve this, okay? Take this particular grid, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22, 27, 28, 29. This is our 3x3 grid, kids. This is our 3x3 grid. Come on now, solve it. Tell me which is the middle number. I'm sure all of you know the multiplication. You know the multiples of 9. So all you have to do is select the middle number and multiply it with 9. Let's see who gives me the first answer. What we should write, Preksha, all you have to do is you have to select this grid 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22, 27, 28, 29. This is our 3x3 grid, Preksha. And you have to give me the answer. What would be the combined value, combined sum of this particular grid? Okay, I'm getting all the answers here. Great. You guys are doing brilliant. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, that's the right answer. It's 189. So somebody wants to unmute, raise your hand and explain. How did you do this to the class? Who wants to go? Alham wants to go. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ala.
First of all, I saw that how many numerals are there in this 3x3 grid, and I found out there are 9. And then I took the middle number, which is 21 over here, and multiplied it into 9. And I got the answer 189.
Can everybody clap for Alham? That's great. Good stuff, Alham. That's amazing. So you learned a new trick today. So let's quickly do another problem, okay? I'm going to select this grid. Chop, chop, everyone look at the screen. I'm doing 15, 16, 17, 22, 23, 24, 29, 30, 31. This is my 3x3 grid, kids. This one right here. Now come on, tell me, what is the answer? The answer is 207. That's correct. Who's going to go ahead and explain? Okay, so shall I explain, or you want to take up this opportunity to explain it to the class? Okay, Faz want to explain this. All right, can we unmute Faz?
23 is the middle number, so we should multiply it with 9.
So what is the answer?
Answer is 207.
Very good, Faz. Good round of applause for Faz. So kids, again, when I do 3x3 grid, there are 9 numerals in my grid. The middle number of the grid is 23. So when I do 23 into 9, that turns up to be 207. And that's how we arrived at the answer. Now everyone go to your parents and show this trick today. Okay? Good. So we did the calendar trick. Now I'm going to show you another trick, a very interesting trick, okay, through which the answer would always be 5. You select any number, you select any number in the number system, and the answer is always going to be 5. So how do we do it? Let's say, for example, we take the number 10, okay? When I take number 10, I double that number. So it becomes 20. Then I add 10 again to that number. It becomes 30. Then I half that number. It becomes 15. What was my original number, kids? It was 10. So I take away 10 from 15. And what is my answer? 5. Can we do this? Somebody just raise a hand and give me a number. And I'm going to do this trick and the answer would be 5. Preksha says she didn't understand something. Preksha, I'm going to take the doubt
17.
session later. Okay? Okay. Sorry, what number is it? Yeah. Somebody wants to give a number?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
19.
19. Okay. So what is 19 plus 19? It's 38, right? So my
Yes,
first
ma'am.
step is I have to double the number. It becomes 38. Then I'm going to add 10 to this number. It becomes 48.
Ma'am, so
Yes.
so what? And ma'am,
Sorry.
after halving it, it will become 24. And when we
Yes, it will become 24. And
Nine.
when you take the original number from this, when you take 19 from 24, it will become 5. Exactly. So that's your answer. You do this trick with any number, your answer is always going to be 5. Understood? Okay.
Ma'am,
I have
the number
yes.
was not 20, it was 19.
Correct. So you have to take your 19 from 24. What is my step 4? My step 4 is taking away number means subtracting it. Subtract 19 from 24. That will leave you with 5. So your answer is 5. Okay. People have questions for me. Great. Everyone's raising their hand. Turn by turn.
Ma'am, if we do it with 20,
You want to do it with 20. Okay, let's go. Quick. Now, double of 20 is how much, Drishan? What is
40.
double of 20? 40. Good. When I add 10 to 40, how much it becomes?
50.
Very good. And if I, what is the half of 50? If you half 50, how much would that be?
20.
25. 50 divided by 2. Anytime you want to do half, that's going to be divided by 2. Okay. So, sorry, not, yeah. So we are going to do, that is 25. And from 25, I take out 20, which was your number. So when I subtract that, it becomes 5. So isn't the answer 5? Dirshan, you got the answer? Great. Okay, Vedika, give me your number.
Yes, ma'am. I
What?
want to do it.
You want to do with? Sorry, you're on mute. I'm going to ask the class
Ma'am,
questions. Okay?
38. 38.
48. Okay. So when we double 48, that becomes 96. Okay. 48 plus 48 is 96. Now what I do very simply, I add 10 to 96. Adding 10 to 96 would make it 106. And when I have to when I have to half 106, that will become how much? Half of 106 is 53. And now I'm going to subtract the original number 48, which Vedika gave me, from my answer 53. That will leave me with 5. Did you understand, Vedika?
No.
No. Okay. You didn't understand. Give me a second. Okay, kids? Okay, I'm going to give you a question. You start solving that. Your question is number 10. Write number 10 on your paper and pen. Okay. Your next step is doubling number 10. How do you double number 10? Double number 10 is 10 plus 10, 20. Correct? After doubling number 10, you're adding 10 to your answer, which is 20 plus 10. What was your second step answer? 20. Right? So to your second step, you're going to add 10 more. So that will become 30. Very good. Now what is half of 30? What is half of 30, kids? 15. Correct. And what was my original number, kids? My original question to you was 10. So when you subtract 15 from 10, what does it leave you with? 5. That's great. That's great. Very good. So the answer is 5. So this is the trick. Isn't it interesting? You do it with anything. You do it with any number and we'll get this answer. So we are going to do another number. This time, who is going to give us the number? The whole class will do it on that number. Okay?
Ma'am, can we do it on 0?
How do you double 0?
Ma'am, after doubling it, it will be 0, and after adding 10, it will be 10. And
yes,
after halving it, it will be 5, and after taking away 0, it will be 5. So the answer is 5.
Who wants to counter that? That's right.
To do it with 0, it will end in 5.
Yes.
Can I give?
Yeah, give the number. The whole class is ready.
78.
Okay, class, it is 78. Come on. Fast, fast. Double 78. Quickly. When you double 78, how much do you get? You get 156. Right? So, very good. After 156, the next step is adding 10 to 156. How much does adding 10 to 156 come up to? 166. That's brilliant. Now, you have to halve 166. What is the half of 166? It's 83. That's right. That's right, Hamis. That's right, Preksha. Very good. Now, take away the original number from 83. What was the original number? Yes, 78 was the original number. So what do we remain with? 83 minus 78? Answer is 5. Again. Brilliant. So the whole class got this concept, the trick of number 5. That's how amazing this trick is. So go out and try it with everyone, okay? Now we're going to learn a next trick. Now this trick, if you use, you will always end up with number 2. There's no chance in the world with these steps you can go wrong. You'll always end up with number 2. So everyone loved this trick. So I'm getting a lot of thumbs up. Great. Great. So you like the number 5 trick? Now let's move on to the number 2 trick. To perform this trick, we select a number. Let's say we are selecting number 8 as an example that I've given here. Right? What do we do then? The next step to this is I'm going to multiply it with 3. So 8 3 is up, 24, right? Now what I do is I add number 6 to this. It becomes 30. Then very simply, I divide it by number 3. It's number 10. And the last step, I'm again subtracted with number 2. It becomes 2. It's very easy. So what I do, step number 1, multiply with 3. Step number 2, add 6. Step number 3, divide by 3. Step number 4, subtract with 2. And the answer is 2. Now I'm going to give you another number and you have to perform the trick exactly like the steps given here. Okay? The number for you today is number 6. Do it taking number 6. So we are taking number 6. Multiply number 6 into 3. What is the answer, kids? What is the answer? 6 3s are. Correct. Correct. 18. Great. Now add number 6 to 18. Add number 6 to 18. 24. That's brilliant. Now divide 24 by 3. Easy. 24 by 3 is, dividing 24 by 3 gives you what? 8. That's brilliant. So finally, your answer is 8 minus the number that I gave you, which was 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Very good. You got this. You're rocking. Amazing. So who wants to go next? Who wants to give a number to the whole class? Come on, the class needs a number. Okay. Yes, give me a number. Okay.
16. 16.
The number is 16? 16. Okay, class, quickly. Number 16. Let's go. Multiply number 16 into 3. What is 16 into 3? Yes, that's right. It's 48. 48. Now add number 6 to 48. $54. That's correct. Now, very simple. Divide number 3 by 54. 54 by number 3. Divided by 3. 54 divided by 3. What is 54 divided by 3? That's right, that's right. 18. Very good. It's 18. Now, subtract 18 with the number I gave you. with the number, who gave us, sorry, somebody gave us the number was 16. So 18 minus 16 is 2. That's correct. And everyone knows this trick now. Amazing. Shall we do another problem? Okay, let's do another problem. Who wants to go? Who wants to go next? Who wants to give me a number? And the whole class a number.
Ma'am, 28.
28. Wow, it's getting challenging. Kids, 28. 28. Multiply 28 into 3. 28 into 3 now. That's right, I'm getting some answers. It's 84. 84 is right. Now to 84, add 6. That's correct. It is 90. That's right. So, step number 3, divide 90 by 3. So, 90 divided by 3 is... That's right, Srirag, it is 30. Woohoo, brilliant. That's 30. Good going. So now, subtract the original number from 30. 30 minus 28. That gives us what? 2. That's brilliant. So, the answer is again 2. Okay, did you guys like this trick? Okay, perfect. Let's move on to this one. You're gonna love this. Okay. Now, hey, thank you. It's amazing to know that all of you love this trick. Okay, now the next one. This thing, if you use all of these steps, it's always gonna end up with 37. The answer for anything would be 37. Okay? But for this, you should use a 3-digit number. Cool? So, for example, let's take the one I've taken here, which is 333. 333. So, what do I simply do is I add all the digits together. 3 plus 3 plus 9. 3, which gives me 9. Okay? Now what I do is I just simply divide 333 by the sum of the digits that I've got, which is 9. It gives me 37. So you choose any 3-digit number with same digits. For example, 444, 222, 111, 666, and we can perform this trick. On any, I'm repeating again, on any 3-digit number which has 3 same digits, if you apply this trick, your answer would always be 37. Okay, let's go, class. Dia wants to give us a number. Somebody? Oh, I already have so many numbers from Yatharth. 999, 111, 222. Okay.
Yes, I want to go it with 666.
666. Okay, kids, let's do 666. Come on, take your book and pen. Give me the answer. Number 1, we chose 666. Step number 2, we are going to add 6 plus 6 plus 6. What is 6 plus 6 plus 6? That's right, it is 18. That's correct. So the sum of the digits is 18. 18, 18. That's absolutely right. Now what is my last and final step? I'm gonna divide 666 by 18. Divide 666 by 18. What is my answer? It's 37. See, 37 is the answer. Perfect, right? How cool is this? You can do it with any number which has 3 same digits. Now come on, who wants to go next and give us a number? And I have few fast solvers in my class. That's great. Yes. Who's going next? I'm getting numbers on my chat box also. Okay, this will be fun. Let's do 555. Class, we are doing 555. Okay, 555. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5 plus 5? 15. Brilliant. Now, the last and the final step, I'm going to divide the sum of all the digits, which is 15, with the original number, which is 555. So 555 divided by 15 gives me 37. That's true. That's brilliant. Yes. Okay. Do you want to do one more sum or shall we proceed? One quick sum, everyone. Okay. Okay. Manvi wants 444. This is the final number I'm taking. Okay. 444. Class 4, 4 and 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 gives us 12. That's brilliant. So 444 divided by 12.
Ma'am, after this, can we do 888?
Yes, that'll be the last one I'll take, okay, which is on request. Let's do 444 divided by 12. Quick. Okay, is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes, it is.
Okay, great. So, where were we? We were doing, okay, the last one we solved, and that was 37 for 444. And the last one, Yatharth had a request. That was 888, right? So one last one we are going to go with, which is 888. Kids, 888, which is 8 plus 8 plus 8. What is 8 plus 8 plus 8? Yes, that is 24. That's correct. So now I'm going to divide the sum of the digits, which is 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24, by my original number, which is 888. And the answer is 888 divided by 24. The answer is 37. That's correct. Thank you. So here we are done with number 37. So you learned 3 cool tricks today, kids. One, which will always give you the answer as number 5. The other one, which will give you the answer as number 2. And the third one, which will give you the answer as number 37. I hope you enjoyed these tricks. Now I'm going to quickly do a great, Preston. That's nice and you liked it. Okay, now I'm going to teach you easy multiplication tricks. Okay. So what is it? One thing always I want all of you to remember. I know you know this already, but I'm just trying to reinforce this. Multiplication table is a symmetry. What do I mean by that is, if you learn the table 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, then if I don't know what is 3 twos are, then it is same as what is 2 threes are. So it is just a symmetry. If you know one table, the same thing in another table can be answered. For example, if you forget what is 8 into 2, you would know what is 2 into 8. So it's the same answer. So it's the same. You should always remember this. Never forget this. This is the basic principle of multiplication, and especially for tables. Okay, cool. Now we are going to learn a very cool trick, okay? I'm going to teach you how to remember the table number 9. What I want you to do is spread both of your hands, all the fingers, all your 10 fingers, to spread them like the one you see over here in the picture. Okay? What you'll do is step number 2. Let's say the question to you is, what is 9 into 7? Okay? What I will do here is I'll start counting 7 fingers from here. Now let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? This is 7. So just close this finger, close this finger. Right? So you close this finger. Now you'll go towards the right side and you'll count how many fingers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? Write down 6. Write down 6 in your book. It's 6, right? When you close this 7th finger, things to the right is 6. And when you go to the left side, it is 1, 2, and 3. Right? So write down 3. So your answer is 9 into 7 is 63. Isn't this cool? All you have to do is, let's take another number. Let's do 9 threes are. Okay? Let's do 9 threes are. What I'll do is 1, 2, and 3. This third finger, I'll close it. Close it. So what is on the right of this closed finger? 2. 1 and 2. Just 2 fingers. So I write down 2. And after this closed finger, I have how many more fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 9 threes are 27. Isn't this great? Isn't this fun? Yes. We can take any 9 table, anything that you like. Okay, you want me to explain again, Vedika? I can do this, okay? Let's take 9 sixes. I don't know what is 9 sixes, and my teacher didn't understand, ma'am. Okay, I'm going to teach this again. I don't know 9 ones, and my teacher is asking me what is 9 sixes. So what I'll do is, Shrirag, you're very intelligent, but let's do with the fingers here for others. What I'll do, I'll open both my hands, all the fingers, I'm going to spread it, and I'm going to count number 6 because I want to know what is 9 sixes. So what would this be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to close this thumb of the second hand. Just close this thumb. Now I'm going to go on the right side and I'm going to see how many fingers are left on my right hand, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And from the thumb, how many more fingers are left on the left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So my answer is 54. Yay! Did you like this trick? Did you understand? Did you understand this trick? Great. Okay, can somebody show me this trick? Can somebody put down their camera and show me with their fingers? Do you want to explain it to the class? Alam wants to do it. Great, Alam. Okay, I'm going to give you a question, Alam. Okay, so you solve that one. Your question is, what is 9 eighths?
9 eighths, yes. First of all, we take all our 10 fingers and the 8th finger, which is this one, I open it and close all the other fingers. And
Correct.
then the right side of the right side of this finger is the number 7. So I will write 7, and then at the left side there are 2 fingers left. So I will write 2, and then 7 and 2 makes 72. So the answer is 72.
Brilliant, Alam. Very good. So you understood. So I hope you guys like this trick, and this was easy. So somebody wants to go next? Who wants to explain? I'm going to give you one little sum. Okay. Okay. Mihan, it is not for 8 into 6. This is only for 9 tables. It's only for 9. Only for 9 ones. Not for any other table. This trick works only for 9. Okay? Great. So I hope all of you understood. Can I get some thumbs up? Yay. Okay. Okay, now quickly I'm going to teach you a few things which you can do with different numbers. Okay? To know number 2, number 4 and number 5. How to do multiplication of these 3 numbers. Very, very easy. If you want to do anything with number 2, what you do is very simple. Let's say you want to do 2 nines. What I do, I take the number which is 9 and I add it twice. 9 plus 9 and it becomes 18. So what is 2 nines? It's 18. It's that simple. So the number which I want to multiply, I'm just going to double that number and that will be my answer. Let's say I want to do 2 12s. Can somebody tell me what would be the answer? If I want to do 2 12s with this trick, what am I going to double twice? Which number am I going to double twice? Yeah, the answer is 24. Yes, I'm going to double 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So 2 12s is 24. That's correct. Let's say I want to find out what is 2 17s. Can somebody tell me what would be 2 17s? Which number should I double? Yes, Tisha, that's right, it's 24. Correct? 17, number I have to double and that becomes 34. So 2 17s is 34. That's brilliant, kids. So you understood this trick. Now let's go to number 4. Let's say if I want to know how do I multiply one number with number 4. So what I do, whichever number I want to multiply, I just double that number once. For example, over here, it is number 9. I'm going to double it so it becomes 18. Now what I'll do again, I'll double it again. So when I was doing number 2, only once I doubled the number. For number 4, I'm going to double it twice. So it is double and double again. So I take number 9, I'm going to double it, it becomes 18. I'm going to double 18 again, it becomes 36. So 4 nines is 36. Isn't this quick and easy? Let's do another thing in 4, okay? If I want to know what is 4 12s, 4 12s kids. So which number am I going to double? For 4 12s, which number? Correct, Preston, it is 12. If I double 12, how much does that come to? Yeah, Manvi, you gave me the final answer. Yes, it comes to 24. And if I double number 24 again, it becomes 48. That's perfect. So 4 12s are 48. Isn't this easy? And isn't this simple? So if you never remember a table and you don't understand what you should do when you get a 4 table, this is very simple. You can just do this. Whichever number you have to multiply, double it twice and you'll get the answer. So that is number 4. Let's do the last one, which is number 5. Okay. Let's say you want to do 5 into 6. So what I do very simply is I cut into half, or I basically half the number which I want to multiply, which in this case is 6, right? So when I cut 6 into a half, it gives me 3. Then I very simply multiply it with 10, which is 30. So 5 6 is 30. Very simple. So let's say if I want to know what is 5 9s are or 5 8s are. Okay, 5 8s are, so I'm going to halve it, right? So when I'm going to halve 8, it becomes 4. And then I multiply that with 10 and it gives me 40. That's true. And a simple thing that you can do, which is also possible, which is just the opposite of this one. What you do is you take the number, let's say 5 9s are. So what you do 9 into 10. First you're going to multiply it with 10, which gives you 90. And what do? You half that answer, which becomes 45. So your answer of 5 into 9 is 45. So either you can first make it half and then multiply it with 10, or otherwise first multiply it with 10 and then cut it into half. It will give you the same answer. Okay, let's take one number. Let's say I want to know what is 5 into 12. So what I'll do, let me do trick number 2. So 5 into 12, right? So 12 times 10 would give me 120. And when I make 120 into half, it will give me 60. So 5 12s is 60. Very good. So did you like these tricks of understanding 2 1s are, 4 1s are and 5 1s are? Very simple, very easy. On your fingertips, you can solve it now. Great. Now I just have one bonus trick for you, okay? Everyone, just copy this format.
Can we maybe continue in the next class, please?
Yes. We just have one last thing that we will do, and then we will conclude the class for today. So this one last thing, I want you to copy all these steps. Just take a screenshot of it. Okay, this is a bonus trick which will help you determine your birthday. So it's very simple. Follow this trick, and in the next class, you come and you tell me if you were able to guess someone's birth year and the whole birthday. Okay? Just copy it, screenshot it, and in the next class, you tell me about this. Great. Okay, I hope you guys would have done this. And I really hope you enjoyed this class today and you'd like to come to more such engaging and fun math sessions with Avval. Yes? Great. Then I'm going to see you then in the next class.